Your website is alive, but do you really know what your visitors are doing behind the scenes? Most people think they know, but they don't. Today, I will reveal 10 shocking secrets of Google Analytics that can completely change the way you see your website. And trust me, the last secret is something Google doesn't want everyone to know. Old analytics tools lie. They hide the truth behind numbers and page views. GA4 doesn't lie. It shows the real story of your visitors. Every click, every scroll, every hesitation. Watch closely because number 10 will blow your mind. Secret 1. The Ghost Tracker. Better user tracking. Imagine a visitor comes to your blog today, then buys your product on their laptop next week. Old tools see two different people. GA4 connects the dots, revealing the real journey. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Wait till you see how GA4 catches every hidden action. Secret 2. Every move counts. Event-based tracking. Clicks, scrolls, video watches, downloads. GA4 records it all as events. You see exactly what your users are really doing, not just what page they landed on. And the next secret, it's like having a digital crystal ball that predicts the future. Secret 4. Invisible eyes. Privacy-friendly data. Cookies are dying. Browsers block tracking. Yet GA4 sees everything without breaking privacy laws. You get accurate data while staying completely legal. And the next secret? It connects all devices into one unstoppable tracking machine. Secret 5. The device detective. Cross-device tracking. Phone, table, laptop. GA4 sees it all. One user, one journey. Every click, every visit. You won't believe the next secret. It almost feels like GA4 reads your mind. Secret 6. The Mind Reader. AI insights. Predict future purchases. Flag unusual traffic drops. GA4 does it all automatically. It's like having a sixth sense for your website. And now, secret number 7. The part that turns every visitor into a potential customer effortlessly. Secret 7. The Conversion Hacker. Sign-ups, purchases, button clicks, all tracked automatically. No code, no guessing. GA4 captures the actions that actually matter. Secret 8 will make your competitors jealous because it's something most paid platforms hide behind a paywall. Secret number 8. The free power weapon. BigQuery export, advanced reporting, custom dashboards, all free. You get enterprise-level analytics without paying a dime. But brace yourself, Secret 9 is what prepares your business for the web of the future. Secret 9. Future-proof mastery. GA4 adapts to new devices, privacy laws, and changing user behavior. Every update makes it stronger. And now Secret 10, the ultimate weapon that will transform your marketing forever. Secret 10. The hidden key. Seamless integration. Google Ads, Search Console, BigQuery, all connected. You see which campaigns actually work. You boost ROI. You uncover hidden opportunities. Most marketers never reach this level, but now you know. Final tease. Now you have all 10 secrets. GA4 isn't just a tool, it's your website's secret weapon. If you master these, you won't just analyze your website, you'll predict, optimize, and grow like never before.
If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more.